In this video, I'll be showing you my six-figure secrets review. So in a nutshell, six-figure secrets is the latest info-based product which is being launched by three of my fellow Ministry of Freedom members, Robin Palmer, Philip Johansson, and Dan Khan. And in this product, they are going to teach you how they're able to make those five figures income every month by creating products, and those are digital products, and they have added a great spin on it with which you do not have to start from the scratch. Basically the products are already there, just have to add value to it and launch your own product. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of six figure secrets. I'll be showing you my bonuses which I have compiled for you guys. We'll be taking a look at the sales page as well. I'll be telling you about the different price points for this product, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. There have been products which are being launched on different marketplaces like Voya Plus and JVZoo, and these are all digital products. They can be a software, they can be some info-based training products. Daily, there are a number of products which are being launched, and there are some vendors who release their products each and every month, and this is their main source of income. This is where how they are able to generate 5 to 6 figures income by launching product. And this particular product, six figure secrets, is going to teach you everything about launching your own info based products without you having to create your own products. That's the spin, that's the secret what is there inside the training. So I've also put together some custom bonuses for you guys if you decide to pick up six figure secrets using my link, which is right there in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page of mine, and let me tell you, you can also read about six figure secrets on this page. And the number one bonus I'm going to offer to you is a 60-minute call, and in that call we can brainstorm and we can discuss about different ideas for your product launch and create an action plan for yourself. And why you think I'm capable enough to tell you that? Because I have already launched three products, and the first product which I launched was List Lariat, then Aerial Assassin, and there was one more, Midas Touch, which was launched last week. So I have got a good understanding of how the product launch scenario works and what all things you need to do to create your own product. So this is going to be your 60-minute brainstorming call with me, and we'll create an action plan for you. Bonus number two, I'm going to do your sales pages, your membership area, and the graphics for your first product launch. Yes, if you go out there in the market to get all these things done, that is going to cost you more than $1,000. Sales pages, membership area, graphics. These are the three key components which are required for the product launch, and my bonus is going to help you with that. Basically, I'm going to cover that bonus for you. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you training on creating sales funnels for yourself without using expensive softwares. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you training on how to make money using webinars. There are people who are doing webinars before their product launches, and that's how they're able to generate a lot of traffic and money for their products. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you a product, High Ticket Hero, the front end of it, which is one of the previous products from these guys, Philip and Dan, and this will teach you how you can make those high ticket affiliate commissions. Bonus number six, I'm going to give you training on how to make money from TikTok. As you know, TikTok is one of the best platform these days to generate high quality leads. So this training will help you do that. And all you need to do, just click on yes order now button on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page. And the sales page says how we make $274 a day from other people work. Unlock multiple passive income streams from free traffic even if you're brand new. So they're basically telling you that instead of being a consumer of information, be the vendor, create your own products. All your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, just need to click on Access Affiliate Bonus, and your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And now let me show you what all you're going to get inside the members area of Six Figure Secrets. So this is how the members area looks like, and you're going to get the introduction video, the fast track to six figures, and then the intro by Dan, and then you have the 1 day setup. Basically, this is a done for you product. You're going to get everything from Robin over here. And then comes the main training of structuring your product and coming up with ideas, how to create the main training, how to create the upsells, how to create the welcome and overview video, easy 3-step sales letter training, build your site for free. So they're also going to tell you how you can build your own site to promote your products, and how and where to generate traffic. So traffic is also covered. And then you're going to get some additional resources and training inside this. You can to get a free software, free product name generator, done for you bonuses, high quality e-covers and logos, sales page examples. And then you're also going to get some vendor bonuses, which you're going to get for trainings from Philip, Unfair Advantage, and $1,000 a day free training. So this is what you're going to get inside the members area of Six Figure Secrets. And now, how much this is going to cost you? So the front end, which includes all the training and all my bonuses, that is only going to cost you $12.95. So in $12.95, you're going to get all these trainings and all my bonuses, which are way worth more than $12.95. As I told you, even this that done for you package, which I'm going to give to you, is going to cost you more than $1,000. You can check out in the market yourself. And then there are a few optional upgrades. I highly recommend you pick up the upgrade number one, at least. That is going to help you to speed up your process. Upgrade number one is the 20x accelerator. So basically, it's a done for you system which you're going to get, and you can pick this up for $47. And there will be a downsell as well. So you literally can pick this up for $37. Upgrade number two is the 800% income booster for $67. So basically, you're going to get how you can increase your revenues by 800%. Upgrade number three is the traffic mastery for $97. So basically, it's a all-in-one solution for all your traffic needs. So it's basically a traffic course, traffic training. Upgrade number four is the unlimited traffic for $97. Basically, you can put your pixels on these guys' sales pages and build an email list that way. And upgrade number five is the reseller rights. So you're going to get the six-figure resell rights, and using which you can promote this as your own and keep the 100% profit. And that will cost you $97, but there will be a downsell as well. So you can literally pick this up for $47. Now talking about the different pros and the cons for this. So for this one, you do not need to have a prior experience of creating products, because this is what the training covers: how you can create the products, how you can launch the products without actually you having to create the products. That's the thing. It's a step-by-step training, as I've shown you, and this works for any niche. So it doesn't matter which niche you are into. If you want to launch products in health and fitness, or self-help, or any other niche, definitely you can do that following the same strategy. And talking about cons, I don't see any cons so far. Whatever things I found that they were missing in the product, I've already got it covered through my bonuses. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not, definitely this is a good fit for you. If you are someone who is stuck in your online business journey and don't know where to go, so this is one of the best methods where you can be a vendor of products and launch digital products and make money that way. So guys, it's a thumbs up from my side, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.